How to add blur in Filmora. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Filmora application. Import a video. Then click on the clip. After that, go to this mosaic option and you will be able to see
How to save photo in
blur options here. Increase the size of it and now your clip is blurred. Extend the effect to wherever you want and it will get blurred. So that's it. But unfortunately this is a premium version effect, so get the premium or the pro version to use the blur filter. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.